for the Wajir officers' attack. Now, moving on, and embattled Nandi Governor Stephen Sang has called for a truce between his government and other leaders. Speaking during a prayer meeting at Nandi County headquarters, the governor said that it was time for reconciliation among county leaders and pleaded with the clergy and council of elders to unite the county leadership, which Nandi County had suffered recently. Sang hit headlines recently for invading and repossessing a section of Kibwari tea estates believed to have been reserved for cattle dip, but a private developer converted it into tea estate.
We worship you alone. You are worthy to be. Mimi nimesimama na amani katika kaunti yetu ya Nandi, and that everybody knows. I believe in the rule of law. Hiyo ndio maana mambo mengi ambayo yamekuwa yakizungumzwa tu bure katika kaunti yetu, mimi niliweza kufanya mbinu ya kuhakikisha ya kwamba tumetumia njia ya sheria ili tuweze kuhakikisha those injustices that we have faced as our county, let us use the constitutionally provided means. Hiyo ndio maana mimi niliita NLC, National Land Commission, nikaita wengine wako kotini, because we want the rule of law to be followed. And I want to tell you what wa Nandi, let us not bury our heads in the sand. Tutumie mbinu ya sheria kuhakikisha kwamba haki ya watu wa Nandi, haki ya kila mtu katika Nandi imeweza kulindwa na kuheshimiwa.